In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change system logo in Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can update the default system email logo inside your Gohighlevel account. This is useful if you want your branding to appear more professional and consistent across system-generated emails. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for the settings we need. From that left sidebar, click on Settings. This will open up the area where you can manage account level options and branding related features. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and click on System Emails. This section controls the default appearance and behavior of the emails sent by the platform, so this is where your system logo setting is located. Once you're in the System Emails area, click on Settings. Inside this page, look for the option labeled Default System Email Logo. This is the field that lets you replace the current logo with a new one. When you found it, click on Update. That will open the media selection window and give you options for where to pull your new logo from. Next, select where you want to get your new logo. If your logo is already stored in your media library, you can use that. You may see a drop-down for My Media, so click that drop-down and choose the location where your logo is saved. In this example, a folder like Backgrounds is selected, but you should simply choose whichever folder contains your logo file. Once you've opened the correct folder or media source, select the logo you want to use. Take a second here to make sure you're choosing the right image, ideally a clean version of your logo that will display well in email headers. A properly sized image usually gives the best visual result. After selecting the file, click on Insert Media. This places the chosen image into the default system email logo setting. Finally, once everything looks correct, click on Update again to save the change. That final update confirms the new logo and applies it to your system email branding. And that's it. Your system logo in Gohighlevel has now been changed. If you want to keep your branding polished, it's a good idea to review how the logo appears in your system emails afterward, just to make sure the image displays clearly and fits nicely within the email layout.